Hey everybody, what's up? A little different video than I usually do. No hockey today. And you've probably seen in the beginning of my video, I do like to collect Jordans. I've loved Jordans since I was a little guy. I won the raffle, I ended up getting the Jordan 12 flugame. I just got mine in today. The flugames just came in today, all right? So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys and see what we're looking at here. All right, so straight out the box, clean pair, you know. I was never I wouldn't say I was never the biggest fan. I love some of those ones there, the 13s that he's got there. These are just a really beautiful shoe. Sometimes I buy a pair of Jordans and there might be some kind of a scuff or some kind of, you know, something. These are sweet. So you guys can see,